Ew. All the ducks. All the asses. Nice. Let's see. What? Something went wrong? Offline.
Hi.
Yo. Thank you, master. Thank you, owner. I don't know. You're my owner or something. Okay, I moved my microphone and I moved where chat is. So the microphone is not in the way anymore, hopefully. When I... Oi. Okay. Where's me? Oh yeah, I haven't... Oh, okay. Okay. I moved everything to the other monitor. So I'm looking at chat and oh my, and also the microphone is here. It's not visible because it's here. So it's different. Not purple today. Yeah, I just finished eating, so I haven't even started everything, so that's why the camera wasn't even working. Okay. First of all, we do color temperature around there. And then we put on the purple lights. Oh, I'm on VPN. Okay. Okay. Okay, I will disconnect VPN, so let's see if it fucks up. Or am I live even? Not sure. Is it for still F? No, it's not F anymore. Is it? Ah, I need to exit the fucking... Alright, fuck it. Be right back. Start. Now I'm here. Live, right? Yeah. Yeah, boom. I don't know if you missed it, but I had VPN on, so I had to restart everything. I had to restart OBS. You can't just disconnect and reconnect. I have to restart OBS when I disconnect VPN. By the way, I'm doing other kinds of capture and I don't think it's... I don't think it's perfect. I need to add some buttons to my stream deck. All right. Scene. Vi... Oj. Testing, by the way. Do I have noise cancellation? I do. Okay. Games fast. Games fast. But then what? This is a scene. How do I? Oh, okay, okay. I need sources. Source visibility. There you are. And I will call this game. Game. This one. Okay, so now I can toggle the game. Am I still live? Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, my microphone is further away from me now. And I might sound a little bit more echoey. Anyway, yesterday after stream I like speed ran. I don't know why, but eye contact is... I need to remember to fix eye contact. Control Alt Shift G. Working? I can't see if it's working. Oh no, it's not working because I need... Oh, thank you for the disco. I need this running. Sorry, I just went live. I did no preparations because I didn't have time to prepare. Boom. I think it's... I can't see if it's working because I think it's working. Because the camera is there and I'm looking here now. Yesterday... Oh! It is automatically working if I tab. No, not really. I need to minimize it. Okay. Anyway. Yesterday I fixed so I can place items. So yeah, items can be placed now. This gun is an item. These 8 objects, or no, 10 objects are objects. And this is one item. And I can place it like this. It does have a hitbox. Look. It does have a hitbox. I can kinda collect it, not really. When I touch it... Right now when I touch it, I just make this sprite transparent. But I've eaten today. Yeah, I ate... I had to eat something very fast, so... I made pt2 or krögarpytt. I realized like 1 hour ago that, oh shit, I need to eat. Okay, boom. So I went to the store and bought krögarpytt. Okay. So yeah, basically I can place the pistol now. I can collect it. You cannot see a sprite. How do I fix that though? By the way, I'm doing these window captures now because I don't wanna capture my whole computer anymore. It might be dangerous. I don't know. Just unnecessarily risky. So it's supposed to animate like this though. You don't have a streamer PC. I used to actually when I started streaming like consistently, I actually had 2 PCs. like I had a video signal through network, so my actual streaming PC was in another room. I don't know if you know what a streaming PC is, by the way. But a streaming PC wouldn't solve my current issue, by the way, because I want to stream what I'm doing, and the streaming PC is just encoding video. That's what a streaming PC do. Or do you mean streamer PC, like a PC I only use for streaming? If that's the case, no. This is my personal computer and gaming PC. Okay, so for this stream, I wanna make it animate. It's only like 50. It goes up every day. No, it was like 40,000. Not that much. Not even 69k. But yeah. I'm kind of more cheap when it comes to things to buy. Like, by the way, am I still having eye contact here? Not anymore. Oh yeah, so I'm more careful with money now. Basically, the only thing I spent money on was computers and games. Now, I don't even do that. I only spend money on food right now. And of course, living here. Let me think. Oh yeah, animation. So I want the pistol to spin, and when I collect it, it needs to be put into my inventory. I don't have an inventory yet. I want spinning, inventory, and perhaps shooting. Magnum dongers. I don't buy dongers. I treat myself with wine gums now. Mirrored. Why? I don't like this mirrored. Or do I? I'm over Magnum Dong. Yeah, exactly. Or what do you mean all over? No, I'm over them. I'm not all over them. I'm just over them. I haven't eaten Magnum Dongs or Ica, whatever it was, Mumsbit. I haven't eaten that in like over a year, I think. Okay. What am I doing? Oh yeah, spinning. So basically, the fuck, this is not a pistol, this is a plant. So I made an interface called pick-upable, which means basically when a player touches pick-upables, this method is called. Sets this to true. If this is true, it updates and makes it completely. You modded offline, okay. Not in my stream, right? Oh, you did. Have you banned that person? I see that person now. You didn't. Oh, you did ban. Okay, I didn't see. Thank you for modding. Why are you offline? Huh? How does this work? Okay. Let's see here. Spinning. It's an animated sprite, which means it has a list of frames. Uh-huh. And I need to add frames, which I think I do already, don't I? I don't. So I just, when I load the level, I need to add animation frames. And then I will cycle through frames. I don't know exactly how I will do that. Hopefully in a good way. I tried to do this in the editor. Yesterday was it, I think. But it was not easy because this image here is not actually a game object. It's a editor. I created an editor version of the object. And that editor version of an object doesn't support frames. The static definition file that I created, so no, not yet. Anyways, later maybe. By the way, I noticed a thing during the weekend. Because if I click on this lift button, it will set the destination point here where I click it. And if I place this here, oh, fuck me. It's funny because if I click there and then click there, it will go to this point in space. So I can add multiple lifts and they will all converge into this point in space. And it looks kind of fun, I guess, if I go there. But it's really dangerous because you can easily get killed here. Now all the lifts are like converging here. I can easily get crushed. If I stand here, I will die. I died. It's funny though. Fun to die. But this is not supposed to... It's not supposed to be like this. But it's a funny, like a funny effect. I can remove the lines also. So. And I tried to fix horizontal lift physics during the weekend, but it's too difficult of a problem to solve right now for me. I need more math knowledge, I think. But I will solve it at some point if I really need to. And I will learn how to solve it. I will learn the maths. Okay, let's see. Wait, what? Why do you have these emotes? I like them maybe. But that's old me. Old me like this. Like come time. Drinking cum and stuff like that. It's like, it's ridiculous. But yeah. You miss old Morfah. I'm still here. I'm just trying to be a better person. Alright, so after I load. Okay, I like that the microphone is not here. I had this microphone here for like 4 years. But I had the microphone up above more like this when I started streaming without a camera. Then the microphone were hanging down like this. But now, yeah, whatever. Now I can type and see my keyboard. And I also can press buttons on my stream deck. I can mute so you can't hear me. And now you hear me. Don't expose my weird don't expose my weird emotes here. I was a different person. It's kind of funny and cute. Load. Oi, that's me. Oh, that's the emote. Agape or agape. Is it animating? Or is it? Or is my vision crazy? Oh, you have a sub emote. Can you see chat? Yeah, you can. Okay. The best thing would be if the chat was above me, I think. So, or is it good to be on the left side or should it be above me? Because, doesn't matter. I think that's good. Okay. Hair. Oh, here, not hair. I started adding this thing here. Okay. Set animation frames. I will get the sprite sheet for this animated sprite. Okay. Sheet. No sheet. Sherlock. A new sprite. What do you want? Duration and a rectangle. Okay. Spaces. Okay. Frame in sheet sprite data frames.
Hi.
That's also an emote. And a sound. So we will add a frame duration, which is an integer. I need to convert that to a time span. How do you do that? There's a static function for that. From milliseconds. So duration in milliseconds, and then we need the force rectangle. Frame X. What? Okay, frame.frame.x. Y. I kind of want to play Entomorph soundtrack. Because I want to see if my ad block is working. I added a new, yeah, I installed an ad block now properly. Seems to work so far.
Hey everyone, I'm David's Baggage, and this is Entomorph, Plague of the Darkfall.
What the hell? This is a let's play. Oh, here. Me. Yeah, I just want to test the ad block. I installed the ad block now in my streamer browser. Oh, I don't see the spam, by the way. Why don't I see the spam? Thank you. My chat doesn't even show that. Maybe because you're quick at banning, so it doesn't show up with my other chat. So loud. Anyway, is it done? Okay, adblock is working. So now I have frames, which means I can play frames. Let's play some frames. That source rectangle. Yeah, exactly. That's literally Nia right now. Nia modda. How? I need to have like a timer, and for each frame, because each frame can have different duration in the future. Here in Sprite, I can actually set, I think per frame, I can decide that this frame should... Yeah, I can decide milliseconds per frame. And I want my game to support whatever you set here. So... I need some frame time stopwatch. Stopwatch. Frame time. And then I I don't know which frame I am on right now. I need to keep track of that. Frame index? Did you do this settings file? I did. I forgot to mention. If you mean the resolution and stuff like that, I did that during the weekend. What is this? I kind of flashed it yesterday without mentioning what it was, but I'm gonna capture Sublime here. It's like this. Maybe I shouldn't leak everything. It doesn't matter. But yeah, something like that. It's like very simple right now. Right now. By the way, you cannot set anti-aliasing. I forbid that. Because anti-aliasing with this game will cause some weird pixel artifacts, I noticed. If you really zoom in and analyze the pixels, it will look bad. But pure pixels is also the intended look of this game. Like, it's supposed to be pixelated. Even these lines here looks jagged if you zoom in. And that's intentional. I want it to look like this. And it's barely noticeable. But if you turn on AA, there will be some weird pixel gaps, I noticed. Like between pixels or between tiles, there will be
Hi.
like sub pixel gap sometimes if you have AA. It does some weird rounding around the edges. Whew, okay. I don't know why I went on a AA tangent. No one asked. Okay. Frame index. Who asked? Make it to the platform of entomorph. How? Like bugs and insects? Oh lol. Didn't you know I was back? Oh, that's why you said offline. Oh my god, Nia. You made a big fail today. I've been back for like half an hour. Yeah, 28 minutes I've been back. Welcome back, Nia. You're a good mod. LOL, that's what I say about that. That's a big failure. That's Omega lol. Yeah. I appreciate you modding while you thought I was offline. That makes me happy. You're a very loyal mod. Okay. Basically, I had VPN on, so I had to go offline. But I had to exit OBS. Wait, am I live on... Am I still live on YouTube? I think YouTube broke. Oh yeah, I am live. And kick. Alright, fuck me. Set source rectangle, and this will just... This is the easy... So we have frames, and then we index that with the frame. Now redo everything. Okay, let me Control Z everything I've done so far. And retype everything. Nah. I don't want to. Boom. I can make it ignore duration for now. And just loop through everything. Wait, we can do a regular old school for loop. Any for loop fans? Frames. And then do now it will spam the gun. The pistol will spin every frame now. It will look crazy. It doesn't work. I guess it didn't look crazy. Oh, it's not calling update because it's an item, probably. No, wait, it is an entity. Never mind. What the fuck? Okay, it should work. It is an entity. Rainstorm. By the way, when I went to the store like an hour ago, it was like black on the horizon, kind of. And it was raining. Yeah, I went in. It was not a storm, but it was raining. But I had a good jacket on, so it's fine. Rainy mood. Alright, so I like this kind of mystery. Like, I want to understand. Oh, there's an ad in 1 minute. I want to understand why it's not even called. It's a mystery. Here it should call. Oh, because it's all tabbed, that's why. And you can't even. Oh, you can't even see what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, so it goes here. Entity update. Entities. 11111. Okay. Wait, now it works. Almost. So why don't it work? I think it works so fast, so. Yeah, it is working. I can confirm it is working, but it's not visible here. Oh, because of the consistent frame time. It's spinning super fast, so I can only see one frame. Okay. Okay, it's so fast, like it's standing still. Okay, now it's even closer to my mouth. It's too close. Get the fuck away from me. Okay, now it's on screen all of a sudden. The hell is that emote? Over shaky flip explode. I think Agape added that. I made Agape emote adder so he can add emotes. Okay, so I just need to respect the duration and then we're done here. So, okay, how though? I can't wait here. I can't I can't just wait here because then the whole game will wait. My whole game loop will wait for this. So okay, I know. But how do I loop? How do I restart that? I don't know that part yet. I do know that because I done that for the lift restarts. So okay. Oh, you can't even see the game. The code, I mean. That's the problem with window capture. I need to keep an eye on that. If elapsed milliseconds, I need current frame time also. Frame duration. Current frame duration. can rename this, right? If it's... Yeah, it is not smart. Okay. To redo this. So if this is more or equal to current frame duration, then we can loop. What's my favorite Pixar movie? Toy Story 1, maybe? It's the only one that comes to mind. So I guess it's Toy Story 1. Wherever DC is from. That's not from a Pixar movie. By the way, that I know who that is. That's a TikToker. Okay, I had to mute when I chew. Okay. Int duration. Wait a minute. There's a time span. Interesting. I made that a time span. That's kind of good of me. Total milliseconds. But it's a double. How is total milliseconds a double, but elapsed milliseconds on a stopwatch is a long? Anyway, it seems to work anyway. Okay, I will restart the game. What is her name though? Is it Bella something? I don't remember. It's still not, it's still too quick. It's still rotating way too fast. 0. Oh yeah, I forgot to restart the timer. Impersonating Morfah, yeah. Tell that to someone else. I know you can't see what I'm coding, but it's not that interesting, maybe. Boop. And boop, boop. Oh, it's work. Is it working? No, my brain is adding animations in my mind. Fuck me. Oh, I don't get it. So the timer isn't running even. Oh yeah, I have to reload the level. Oh, now it's working. I think. At least it's counting. Okay, it's not working. So it ran for 3 seconds. If it's that, is it longer than that? Yeah, it is. Ah. It's not supposed to be a for loop anymore. What am I doing here? Your gun looks awesome. What? Thank you. I see this just temporary programmer art. And I will redo that at some point. I spad ran it. Yesterday, I think it was, right? It's a few pixels. Anyway, so I need a function called get next frame index. And this would be very similar to the lift thing I did. Where I have a get next waypoint or something. Get next path. Similar to this. So current frame index. And this is the frames count. Very similar. And then this is the index. What? You can't even see what I'm doing. It's not fucked up. It's my microphone. My microphone is here. And it's getting cut off. I'm using performance. If I do quality, then now you can see my microphone. Maybe that's better. You can see a little bit of microphone. Anyway, let's see if it's spinning. It's not spinning. Why the fuck is it not spinning? Wait, when I restart my stopwatch, it doesn't actually restart the timer? This restart function doesn't do what it's supposed to do. It did work at like here, and it also worked here with my respawn timer. And it also worked here with my plant that when it get what is it called? Regenerates. That worked. Then I could restart this, and then it just starts from. If it's running, and then yeah, exactly. So what the fuck? Unsmush, stop. Yeah, I should never stop. Is that the issue? I need to stop. I first need to stop, then restart. Really? What is this, like cassette tape? Stop and rewind. I also need to check frame time is running. Make sure it's running, and then boom. Any moment now. 6 seconds. Oh yeah, I have multiple guns. Is that why? I have multiple gun objects. I think I'm just debugging one gun, one pistol, but I'm actually debugging like a bunch of them. My God, I make life so difficult. Still, what the fuck? Oh, it's counting while I'm debugging. Oh, it's 8 seconds, 10 seconds, 12 seconds. Alright, so maybe restart did work. $50 seconds, 3 seconds. Oh yeah, restart is working. It just, I have multiple guns. Alright, I get it. So it sets source rectangle to this source rectangle. And it checks duration, current frame duration. I don't understand. Why is it not spinning? So now it should switch frames. So it sets to this frame. Why did it switch to the first frame? It keeps resetting to the first frame. I don't know why.
If there are other animals with bigger brains and we want to stay at the top, what do they say about those other animals?
Neil deGrasse Tyson.
Body weight ratio.
Hidden track.
Is that accurate with dolphins?
Yes, because they're much bigger creatures than we are. When you divide the weight of the brain by the weight of the body, we win. However, what they do.
Yeah, my mic is over here now. It used to be in front of me here, but my keyboard was blocked. I couldn't move my arms like this, which I need to do when I program. Ah, now I see. I see now. Current frame index is never set. It restarts every time. Oh my god, I forgot to set it. I forgot to set my... Okay, index equals that. It shouldn't be this. It should be that. Yay, it's working. It's spinning. And this is the actual duration. It should spin according to Aseprite then. But I don't know. When I spin it like this, it's faster, but because I'm using the arrows. But what if... Can I play the animation? Yeah, here. Here's the actual speed of the animation. And it's matching the game, right? Pretty sure it's matching. Yeah, it's exactly matching even. Wait, how is it exactly also spinning in the same? Anyway, yeah. So that's cool. I can create yeah, basically I can create sprites with animation in a sprite and export that frame information and use that with my engine. So that's cool. A dock spin. Exactly. Now what? Now I need to put it in my inventory. I need something like equipment and inventory or something like that. It doesn't need to be like a graphical. I don't need a UI for the inventory. It just needs to be a data structure for inventory. Not sure where to put that. It should be like separate folder. What should I call that? Like like equipment or inventory. Inventory is probably the best name for this folder. Inventory. And inside the inventories, oh, you can even see this window. Okay. Inside the inventory, I can put like equipment. Pineapple pizza. Alright, I need to pee, so be right back. I will get tea also at the same time. So, do I need a BRB text? Oi. Wait, this is not BRB. What's happening? Backing up. Amber lights. I used to have a BRB text. I removed that button. I see. I will let the game run, so the game is active while I... Oh, here's the BRB. Okay. Okay, good. Oh, you're banning more people. Nice. You're useful. Thank you. Yep. So anyway, when I pick up a gun, boop. By the way, there will only be one gun. I don't know why I have more of them. But by the way, are my weird lifts still over here? Yep, they are. Whee! It's like an art piece, like a death trap also. My collision gets completely strange when I interact with these. I'm still not dead. Ah, there. I died. Oops, wrong button. Yeah. They all converge to the same destination point right now. And normally that shouldn't be something that will happen, but it's fun. So maybe something like that can be a thing in the game. Oi, you can't. So I need equipment, and pistol will be an equipment. So I need yet another class to represent a pistol. I have like the pistol item that you place in. You place a pistol item to the level, and when you load the level, it will create a pistol entity out of that you can pick up. And then when you pick it up, it will be something else, like a pistol equipment. I don't know what's a good name. Let's see. Yeah, and then I need inventory. And the inventory is a list of equipment and some other stuff, maybe. I don't actually know. Like, this game is supposed to be really simple. But I feel like there will be feature creep, like, oh, why not have this? Why not have this? And or that? Yeah. Inventory. Base. What's wrong with you? Why can't you understand? Okay. Equipments. inventory. Add equipment. I guess we do this. Why? Oh, is it because I'm running? I'm running the game, so I don't get help from the editor as much. I'm losing speed here. Add equipment. So when I touch the pistol, I will add the pistol equipment to my inventory. And also this inventory will be attached to the player. Oh yeah, and then I need save, so I can save my equipment. That's later. Inventory. There's some weirdness when the namespace is the same name as your class name. I think there will be some issues sometimes. Yep, now it works. I have to do inventory. I don't like that. Oh well. Can fix that later. New inventory, and then I can, yeah, when I pick up an item, I just add this to my inventory. We'll create a new equipment. Where is it? Here. Picked up. So if the pick-upable is a pistol, then we add equipment to my inventory. Oops, it will be a inventory. Why am I misspelling? Inventory dot pistol equipment. That's it. Maybe this is a waste of memory. It doesn't even have to be a class. Doesn't do anything. Oh, but it will do something. Like, so this will be my ammo, maybe some stats here. Damage. How much damage it does. How much ammo I have in it. Capacity and stuff like that. Okay, so it will be an object like that. But if I already have a pistol, I don't want... I need a thing here. If equipment any... If any equipment... Oh yeah, if off type... Oh, I can do this. Off type pistol equipment dot any. Then I don't add it. Then I just... Yeah. So if it's not there, I add it and then I return. Boom. Wait, off type. Oof. Wait, can't I do this better? Oof. I'm assuming pistol now. I cannot do that, so I need to check if... First I need to check if it's... is pistol. And... Pistol. And it's of type. Can I do of type pistol? No. Let me add the pistol. I guess. This is the solution. Whoop. So, okay, you can't see this, but it broke here. It's a breakpoint here. So, pistol equipment adding. Yeah. And it doesn't add the other ones. It just add one pistol to my equipment. So that's working. So I guess I die. No, I mean, I guess I can shoot now. So I need a shoot button. Can be like, I want to aim with mouse. I don't know how to play this with a keyboard, but maybe I can aim with arrows, but it will only be like 8 directions with keyboard. Better than nothing, so... I will start with mouse aiming. Also, I need to implement my game pad, my controller. But not today. So here's the movement. R is respawn. Okay, stop the game. Keyboard is key down. Oh, hello, Agape. What's up? I will shoot with left control. Shoot! Also, I will limit the amount of projectiles on screen or in world because I don't want to allocate. It's kind of expensive to allocate memory for each bullet. So I will pre-allocate a certain amount of bullets, and that's my pool of allowed bullets that I will use. Somehow. Don't know exactly how I will do that, but... yeah. Something like that. Friends place to play video games because my PC is broken. Okay. Huh, that's good. Okay, I will mute a little bit now to chew. Why? How is your PC broken, by the way? Full experience. Yeah, but Ooming always complains and then he leaves. Shoot. Do I have something called mouse? I don't. Why do I do this? Isn't this expensive? Don't I already have a mouse or a keyboard state in my main loop? I do, so I should use that, right? Oh, I know why, because I need to pass this to... I need to fix all my methods. Okay, now I understand why. Okay, for 1 byte you get the full experience. Mouse. So how do I get mouse position out again? It's just mouse froze, just froze and no displays of the restart. Damn, that's a bad error. I wonder how. Maybe some kind of moisture came into your PC. All right, mouse dead position to vector 2. Relative mouse position. What the fuck is this? Is this the world coordinates? Ah, I found this on a forum. I think this is how I get the world coordinates. Ugh. Whew. I'm bad at matrices, like matrix math. Wow, I need the transform matrix. Which means I need the access to the camera. Linear algebra. I need to learn like tangents and stuff. Oh, okay. So the editor has like a transform matrix. It's special because my player doesn't have access to this information. This information. But I guess I can just add that then. Let's go by the way. Thank you. Did you see it in game here? And it's matching the animation on in Ace right now. So it has the same frame durations and everything. Should have this the same. Yeah, it has the same. So that's cool. And I can pick the gun up. So now I have the gun in my inventory. There happens to be a lot of guns here. Doesn't have to be. Should only be one. Ooh. By the way, I was thinking about this earlier today. Maybe I want something. I want it more visible. Kind of like Risk of Rain, how they have items. Like they have like an outline of all the items like this. Make it more visible. I wonder if I should have something like this. Like all equipment has a certain outline. All whatever else, maybe a key has key items have different outlines. Oops. Yeah, so I just want to try this out. I think I like this idea. I don't know. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I can use arrows. I kind of want to hide the... How do I hide? Onion skin. Okay, hide the onion skin. It's actually fucking annoying right now. Boom. Save, export. Pistol export. So now I should just be able to rebuild the game. And then I will have the new sprite now. I like this workflow if it works. It does work. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I like this more. It's more like conspicuous. I just want the gun bigger. And maybe more detail. I can have some more pixels of details here. Boop. It's not animating in editor. Yeah, I know why. It doesn't matter. It shouldn't. Yellow is usually better. I was gonna pick yellow, but I'm thinking like maybe yellow is for other types of items. And I was painting yellow first. I don't know if you saw that, but I don't think it's... Maybe it's good. Oops. It can also be purple. I'm thinking purple also is an alternative. Alternative. Export. But yellow is much better. Yeah, it's better than whatever greenish I did before. It can also denote rarity of the item. Like this is the legendary gun, and then I can have like blue and purple. Loot! I love loot. Nah, it's not that kind of game though. White for standard. Okay, the feature creep is coming. Fuck, do I want that? Do I want like random stats? Like enemies can like drop weapons. Oh my god. Do a UI next. Ugh. I dread UI. I don't want to do it next. I will do audio first before I do UI. Okay. Wait. Oops. Hola. It's for my own mental health. I don't want to do UI. I'm not ready. I'm not mentally prepared to do UI. I need to build up strength for that. Because for UI, I first need to do a lot of research about text rendering, because I don't want to use Mono Game's built-in text rendering because it looks like shit. So there are a few other alternatives to rendering text. I found a couple of alternatives, so I want to research what is the best technique to do that. It's too fast. I'm not ready. Actually. I need space. Pew, 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 pew. By the way, did you see these lifts soap? I added a clusterfuck here. They all have the same destination points. But it's a death trap. Ah, okay. So you can't even, by the way, that's also before I do UI, I want to do object properties. Like I should be able to like move this destination. Like I should be able to click on them and change like stuff here. But yeah, that is, or a pop-up here. What does the gun do? No bullets? No, I'm doing bullets next. That's what I'm gonna do now. That's what I'm doing now, doing bullets. I don't know if you... Here I'm doing bullets. This is how I aim now. Oh yeah, I needed a transform matrix to know... Because I'm gonna shoot where the mouse cursor is. Or that's the direction of the bullets. Huh? Oh, you mean bullets? You mean ammo? Like you collect ammo? I don't know what you're talking about. What are you talking about, man? It didn't spin because there were several... nah, it did spin because there were several, but it was hard to debug because there were several. I thought I was debugging the same pistol, but it was multiple pistols. I just confused myself before, so it's... it can be multiple guns like this. It can be how many you want. But when I pick them up right now, it's a T-pose. Basically, I can only add one pistol to my inventory. But that's fine. So if I add another pistol, I can just add ammo to the pistol. Yeah. Is that what you mean? What do you mean? You mean like if I pick up... Reload the gun, I don't know what that means. But you mean refill the ammo? Yeah, so if I pick up... If I already have this gun and I pick it up, I can refill ammo. For my current gun in my inventory. Yeah, that's easy to do. And that also fixes the issue if they missed a gun. They have multiple, plenty opportunity to pick it up later. But anyway, I was thinking unlimited ammo first. Because unlimited ammo is more fun. I see a bug here. Oh no, wait. That's not a bug. I think it's a bug though. The button is rendering above the player. What happened? It didn't do that yesterday. Green record's name. Fred. By the way, he's not supposed to be a green rectangle. I wrote it, yeah, I will paint I will paint Bengt before I add UI. I will draw him like a French girl. Yeah, whatever. I like it. I like the guns. Fuck, where was I? Yeah, so now I need to implement shooting. And I never done that before. I done something similar. I done shooting before in Unity, I remember. When I did my space game, I was shooting missiles from spaceship, and that was very easy in Unity because all the vectors, all they call it transforms or something like that. All the transforms have a direction. They have a forward direction. So I just spawn the missile at the vector I decided and just move the missile in the same direction as the ship, basically. But this is more difficult. Maybe not that difficult. Well, yeah, it is difficult because I need the bullet needs to travel forever until it hits a solid or a button. I want to shoot buttons, babe. Also, by the way, so I want to be able to shoot this button so it activates the button. It's the same as me stepping on it. So yeah, the bullet should also activate certain interactable things. Button. But anyway, that's for later. Let's just do something. So the player needs a reference to the camera because I need the transform matrix to get the mouse position in world space. What? It will stay crumbled until I step off it. If I stand on this, whoa, laggy. If I stand on this, it will stay crumbled. Okay. See? It keeps being crumbled. But, well, actually, it's currently counting. When I'm jumping like this, it's counting. It's accumulating. Okay, that's maybe a buggy. If I do this, it will have like the 5 seconds. If I keep standing on it, it will not uncrumble. If I keep jumping like that. Anyway, it's a feature. Like it keeps growing while I'm off the plant. And as soon as it's count to 5 seconds total, then it pops up. Like that. I love stepping on grass, by the way. I did this for like several days in a row. Just walked around stepping on flowers and grass. It's awesome. The best part of the game. Release the poor animals from the crate so I can step on them and crush them. Sure. Alright, the camera it was. I don't know if that was a Sonic reference or whatever, but... Read only camera. Camera. Oof. Oh, that crate. Ah, that's not a crate. That's a ventilation shaft, actually. Or a yeah, it's a ventilation thing. It's not supposed to be there in the forest. It's part of the science lab. It's not supposed to be there in the forest. And there's a cat inside that ventilation. I couldn't show you that because I have a compile error here, but... camera... It's supposed to be a ventilation, like in Half-Life. It actually looks like a crate with a cat inside, like a cat box or whatever it's called. Cat crate. But it's not. And yeah, it doesn't belong here in the forest, but it can stay there. It's been there since I made this level. Yeah, it's actually supposed to be animating. It's supposed to blink its eyes also. Oops, you can't even see that, but... I think it's here, yeah. There's a version without the eyes, and that's supposed to be a... And I want to animate between these, like... And yeah, it's supposed to be an Easter egg, but because most ventilations will be empty, only some will have a staring cat there. Oops. All right. How about some shooting? So, oh, I don't have a mouse cursor. I disabled mouse cursor. Okay, it's always visible now. If I click control now, oh, you can't see about that. What's the mouse position? It's over there. Can that be true? So there's the direction of the bullet I want to go. Okay. Why do I call it relative mouse position? Why did I call it that before here? Whatever. Now, I was thinking about this earlier because the character needs to hold the gun, and I want like 360-degree aiming, I think. Or do I want that? Maybe not. Maybe not full 360, but almost full 360 degree of aiming. And if he's holding a gun, he needs to like when he gets over the edge here, the character needs to move, or the character needs to look at the other way. So when I move like this, aiming like this, the character will like flip. And that will be challenging maybe. I can flip the sprite easily, but that might be continuity problem, or whatever it's called. Like if it's an asymmetrical character, then it would look weird if I flipped the sprite maybe. And that's, I don't know. Don't know what to do. Anyway, okay, how do I need a bullet now. Oh, my tea. I forgot my tea. It's cold. Oh, you can't see. I'm trying to think how I want to handle the bullets. It's a sprite for sure. That's moving to a... It's moving in a direction until it hits something. So when I create a bullet, I need to tell it its direction and maybe speed, I don't know. And then it just phew, move there. But is the player object responsible for creating the bullet entity? It doesn't belong to the player. Bullets might be a separate list of entities. And that list can be pre-allocated with a certain number. And then a bullet is either active or it's not active. So I can never, if all the bullet slots are active, then I can shoot more bullets. Something like that, and Kind of like Mega Man. I'm thinking about Mega Man when I'm thinking about this. But also we can have, if I have enemies in the future, I will have enemy bullets, enemy projectiles in the future. Do I need to distinguish them? I can just start code this. What can that be? What is this? An object, item? Is neither of those. It's, I don't know what it is. The bullet. Bullet. No, it's a public. And it can inherit projectile. I can have different kinds of projectiles. Hello? Oh, it worked. No, I pressed enter harder, then it worked. Okay. And a projectile can have different properties. It can be like bool is friendly, I think I called it is friendly on my Unity game like 10 years ago. No, way older, like 12 years ago. I had this spaceship game. And all the projectiles could be friendly or like enemy projectile. And it can have a speed. Damage. And the speed can also change during the travel. Like it can start, like it can be a slow projectile at the start, and then it picks up speed the longer it lives. Oh, speaking of the longer it lives, it needs a time to live. Time span, time to live. So if it's too old, it will die. Just like us. Yeah, something like that for now. What the fuck was that? Do 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 do. Yeah, something like that. Oh yeah. So now when I shoot, I will like. Okay, I need a list of something. List of bullets or list of projectiles. Oh yeah, and also a projectile. Oh fuck, I forgot. A projectile inherits from sprite. Okay, my sprite object is starting to get huge. I can decide color, texture, everything here. Oh, ID also. Wait a minute. Why didn't it add my other properties? Has to do it manually, like. Boom. Why do I have to wrap it all manually? Why isn't that default? Maybe there's an option for that. Wrap all by default or something. Hmm. Pew, 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 pew. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need a direction, but certain projectiles maybe don't need a direction. I don't know how to do that. It should be a vector 2. Okay. I will make a quick bullet here. That's not the right tool. Pew, 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 pew. Mega Man bullet. This does not look centered. It can't be centered. That's centered, but now it's too big. One, two. Wait, wait. Oh yeah, I have coordinates down there. 5 by 5. How can I do this quickly? Anyway, this is sendable. That's a huge bullet. Bullet. Ow. I don't need, they can be in the same square, I don't even care. This is my, like, I can do whatever I want sprite sheet, so. I don't need to follow any rules here. So, I can hard code this for the bullet. It will be on the coordinate 17 1, and it's, how big is it? It's 4 by 4. Here's the bullets. Rotation doesn't matter for in this case, so remove rotation. Color matters. Texture matters. Reference ID maybe doesn't matter. I'll remove that. Null. That's nullable, right? Yeah, null. Fine. A default collider. Ooh, interesting. It will have some kind of collider. A hurt box or something. Layer up.
Hi.
Whoa. Hi. How are you? Sprite effects? No sprite effects. Visibility only visible in game. Friendly, we don't know yet. Speed. Speed can be crave. I crave food all the time. I had that period. I'm still in that food period where I eat and eat and eat. But I think I'm starting to lose appetite now, maybe. But I'm eating candy instead. Fuck. Bad. Damage. It will do like, I don't know, 10 damage. Time to live. How long would it live? I will do from seconds because it's easy to think in seconds. A bullet will be alive for like no longer than, it doesn't be no longer than 5 seconds even. 5 seconds is even too long. But we do 5 seconds. Direction, we don't know about the direction. Nice, this is probably all we need for a bullet. These 5 parameters. But how do I spawn the bullets? Maybe I need like a game manager object. I have to go through the game manager to add bullets and do some gameplay stuff. Combat stuff. Wow, you're still watching A Sprite? Oh my god, how long? Okay, you didn't miss much, I guess. But I modeled the bullet. So the bullet looks like this. It takes these 5 parameters. Maybe you saw that, I don't know. I will call it game manager for now. And it will contain a bunch of stuff. It will contain entities. It will contain basically everything that's very dynamic, like enemies and stuff like that. Stuff that's not part of the level. Yeah, let's try. Game manager. I need to call. Get me the game manager. My name is Karen. Public game manager, which will for now have a list of projectiles in the in the game. I don't like this. Feels. I need to do it like this. Projects. Projectiles. No. It will be a fixed number of capacity here. Like there will be a maximum of 100 projectiles in game, and it will be pre-allocated like this. I think this will pre-allocate. Perhaps not, but we will see. And we have the game manager, add projectile. Can it be like a, maybe not a list, can it be like a linked list or some kind of stack that I can push and pop bullets? So they like automatically, like the oldest one automatically removes itself. I've never done that in C#. There's something called stack. You can have a stack and you can pop. I never used stack before. So I can have a stack of projectiles with a 100 capacity. So then on the, I will push the projectile to the stack. So if I push it, it inserts an object at the top of the stack. All right. What does pop do? Try pop. Pop removes and returns the object at the top of the stack. Okay, I will never do that. What happens with the oldest thing? Push. So the capacity doesn't work like I want it. Ensure capacity. Ensures that the capacity of this stack is at least the specified capacity. If the current capacity is less than the capacity, it's increased. Peak. Trim excess. If the capacitor stack is increased automatically by reallocating the internal array. And the existing elements are copied to the new array before the new element is added. Yikes. That's bad for performance. So before I push the projectile to the stack, I need to like... Huh? Remind me, what song does this remix? I have it at the tip of my tongue. I know. It's Donkey Kong Country. Let's see. Yeah, Donkey Kong Country. Food. But you will get fat. Is it because you're starting to dance again that you're getting more hungry? Chopped garlic, okay. I never eat pizza during weekdays. But almost every weekend I eat pizza. I wanna get fat, okay. Okay. Go ahead. Okay. But then there's also something called assorted set. What the fuck is assorted set? I don't know. I don't need that. It's fun to play with fat. I always do that since I overnight. I used to do that. I ate before sleeping and I started doing that also now. And you get fat by doing that. Your metabolism is worse when you sleep. Or metabolism. Yeah, whatever. But you can't get fat. So maybe you can soon. Can I loop through a stack? Is a stack an enumerator? It is innumerable. I always confuse innumerable with... Okay, innumerable is what I need to enumerate. Okay. And what the fuck is the other one? Enumerator. Wait a minute. Read only collection. That's the bad one. Enumerable. No, enumerable is the bad one. I don't like that. Get enumerator. Aha. Enumerable. I don't fucking know what I'm doing here. I know it's slow to loop through a read-only collection because I did that before and it was horrible for performance. It allocated a lot of memory and it was because read-only collection didn't implement something. Wait, it was I read... Yeah, this... But it does implement enumerable. It didn't implement enumerator. But it can get an enumerator, but that will allocate memory. I'm pretty sure. And then we have a list, which almost. Collection enumerable. That's the same thing. What the fuck? Get enumerator. Alright, I'm confused. It looks like they are the same now. Maybe they updated that in .NET 8? Do not eat less than 2 hours before sleep. Okay, I usually always do that. Before. Projectiles. I don't fucking know. I need a unit test. What happens if I add too many on the stack? Fact. Bullet. No, it's a game manager. No, okay, I need a new file. Game manager tests. Cubic. Projectiles. Add. Work, please. Game manager. Manager, add projectile. Late night program. It's a mood. Current mood. Late night programming. I will just add bogus data here. Why is there so much data? Oh, I was supposed to add a bullet, not a... Oh. Bullet is this, that, this, friendly, true, direction. I don't know this part because... So if I have a vector and I have a like a position and I want to know the direction to that position, how do I do the math there? I need to relearn everything. I think I knew that before. Doesn't matter right now. Color. White. Direction can be 0 even now. I will loop 4 int 10 whatever and then but I will do 100 bullets. And you cannot see my test window. Alright, so test we have... First I need to rebuild. Here, game manager tests. Debug. Okay, we have a manager with 100 projectiles, 100 bullets inside the game manager. That's supposed to work, so that's good. But what if I add more than 100? Like 110? What? Electricity, I find it hard to turn off the PC because the sun is working. Wow, yeah, but that's weird. Wait, so I can go over capacity. It's allowed. I don't like that. I want it to automatically pop out the oldest on the stack. So maybe a linked list or something like that can work. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you need like a white noise machine or something. That's cheaper. Anyway, I think I'm about to end it for today. I can just see if the game still works, but yep. I still like what I did today with the gun, with the highlight, the golden highlight here. It makes it harder to miss. I can pick them up. Doesn't need to be like so many of them, but it can even look like a gun. Whoops, and then boom. I don't think I can reach that. Yeah, oh yuck. I hate this on a PC. I also hate this on a PC. I have to turn off every PC in my whole apartment. Everything that makes noise have to be off if I have to sleep. Like, watch some Stargate SG-1. The early episodes. When they are in the base, there's a hum they added. I love it. Noise and speakers, but it doesn't do it for me. By the way, when I sold that PC to you, I was worried you would find the noise annoying, because when I had it in my apartment for a while, your current PC, and I thought it made too much noise. I was worried that you would hate it, but I like that you love it. That's perfect. So all my worry was for nothing. I listen to Tibetan meditation flute sounds to sleep. I remember when I was younger, like 16, 17, I had a CD with like natural, like, what was it? Like natural sounds, like whales, forest sounds, and beach sounds. You travel to different ambient places, and that was really soothing for me. What? There was a flaw he didn't tell you. Exactly. I didn't. Yeah, exactly. Hey, I'm glad you like it though. Let's see. What was I? Yeah, so I used to do that, but now I don't do anything. I need complete silence and stuff like that. Anyway. I made progress, so that's cool, I guess. Whee! Ow. Ow. There's a gun at the end of this. Here. Bling! Alright. I'm gonna end it now, I think. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Soap agape ostbengt. Oh yeah, I can't scroll here. Tomorrow, hopefully, or I don't know if I am here tomorrow, but next stream at least, I hope to have projectiles working. And then I don't know what to do. The next part is audio and then better art. I need a lot of arting to do. Art stream. Thank you. Okay. Goodbye, Key.